Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to create this very beautiful and sultry blue smoky eye look. So the wedding season is around the corner and this eye look is so versatile that you can pull this off with so many outfits. So now without further ado, let's get started. So to start off this eye makeup, I'm firstly priming my eyelids using the Maybelline concealer. Now using the M.A.C Studio Fix Compact Powder, I'm lightly setting this concealer. And to create this blue smoky eye look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. And firstly, I'm using this shade Transformer, which is a deep blue color. And you can use any deep blue or black color, but make sure that it's matte and apply it on your entire eyelid area. Just slowly and gradually add more color to this until it's opaque and you have a nice blue base. Now I'm going to use this dark brown color which is called Caffeine Fix, and I'm putting it right on top of this blue color, taking it all the way up to my crease. And now I'm taking this shade called Latte on a small blending brush, and I'm going to intensify my crease area, and I'm also putting it a little bit above my crease. Now after blending all this out, now I'm again using that deep blue color just to intensify the color and to also stretch it to my crease. Now I'm taking this matte black color which is called Black Wah, and I'm going to place this color on the outer corner or the outer V of the eye just to intensify the outer corner area. And now with the help of a blending brush, you just need to blend all this out and also buff out and soften the edges. Now I'm using the mixture of these two shades which are called Skylight and Midnight Rainbow, and applying it in the inner corner of my lid using my finger. Now to get that sharp winged smoky eye, you just need to dip a Q-tip into a makeup remover and just gently clean out the edges with that Q-tip. This eye look can turn any eye look from dap to fab because without any effort, it creates a very beautiful sharp wing. Now here comes my favorite part, which is to add glitter. And to add glitter to this eye look, I'm using this Glitter Galaxy eye palette, and I'm using this deep blue color and applying it all over my eyelid area with the help of my finger. Now I'm using this highlighting shade called Ice Cloud, and I'm using it to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone area. Now coming to the liner, I'm using this Lakme eyeliner, and I'm creating a small and sharp winged eyeliner. Now for the lower lash line, I'm firstly using that deep blue shade called Transformer. And now I'm using that dark brown color and putting it right on top of that deep blue shade just to buff out the edges and to create that more smoky effect. Now lastly, I'm taking this matte black color just to intensify my lower lash line and to give this eye look more sultry and smoky effect. Now using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, I'm tightlining my upper and lower waterline. Now I'm going to curl up my lashes. And using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, I'm applying a nice coat of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And I'm not using any falsies, but if you want to, then go ahead and add some drama to this eye look. And yeah, that is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And for your convenience, I'm listing all the product details in the description box below. So yeah, that is it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.